Jeep's Uconnect system sometimes freezes or glitches. To fix this, you can perform either a reboot or a factory reset. A reboot is a simple restart to clear temporary issues. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. This doesn't erase your data. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, erasing all user data and customizations. Access this in Settings, System, Restore Factory Settings, and you'll need a PIN, often 000. Use Factory Reset only for persistent problems. OTA updates in newer models often resolve issues, reducing the need for manual resets. Screen freezes in Jeep Uconnect often result from software bugs, outdated firmware, or Bluetooth interference. For quick freezes, start with a reboot. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black, then restart the system. If reboot fails and you have Uconnect 4.0 or newer, try a hard reset by holding the volume up and down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Before performing a factory reset, back up any important data as it will be erased. Make sure your Jeep is parked when performing any reset. Keep your Uconnect system updated through the Jeep Owner's app to minimize future problems. If issues persist, consider a dealer visit, especially for warranty-related concerns. Remember, resets don't affect vehicle safety systems but might temporarily disable navigation.